In today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can switch from personal account to business account on TikTok, and you'll be able to start running shops, running ads, selling products, and many other things. Let's launch the TikTok app and let me show you how to enable this function. First, you want to click on the lower right corner and hit on your profile picture. When you're at your profile landing page, all I want to do is to click on the upper right and the three straight lines. Now, when you're over here, click on settings and privacy, and then I want you to click on account. When you're over here, guys, you want to click on switch to business account. Now, this is where things are getting a little more interesting. So now you have to press next, and you gotta prepare yourself to set up the business suite. So business suite is essentially a lot of these business analytical tools, how to run ads, how to run diagnostics, how to run analytics, how to know which ads are performing the best, which content is performing the best, more information about your audience, more information about your post, right? You need to make sure that all this education and all this is run down so you'll be able to understand how to manage your business account. It is very different than the usual personal account. Also, some people speculate that the business accounts have been pushed more by the algorithm simply because they are making money much more than the personal accounts. So this is how you can switch your personal account to business account on TikTok. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.